of time, sir?
We are really excited to see the grand success, and for this success we have been waiting for last 4 years, and this success is a sweet news for us, and not only for us, for the entire nation. The nation is waiting for this moment, and now it has happened successfully. I'm extremely happy that it's happened successfully. And I would say that congratulations to the whole Indian people for the wonderful success of this Chandrayaan-3 mission.
Also, the government was very much keen with you, sir. They were supporting in every moment of time.
Yes, definitely government is with us, and they are supporting, and they also will be very, very happy to see this happy moment.
Now, the countries like US and Russia and many other such space agent, biggest countries which we call, sir, they are also very keen, seems, sir, that to contact and have in touch with you after we are successful in the Chandrayaan-3.
Definitely, because this Chandrayaan-3, the science data, it is not only for India, it is for the global scientists. So this data that the scientists will be using globally, and they will discover some new things from this data. That way, it's interest for the entire global interest is there.
So you are very much thankful, and you look very happy at this point of time, sir.
Yes, definitely.